Greetings. Today I'm at Allegra Tower, which is an apartment complex in Juriquilla, in the city of Queretaro, and I'm going to be doing a premium house tour of an apartment here, and I wanted to show you what the security is like, so let's get to it. So here is the entrance to the security. You have visitors and residents. When you go in as a resident, it actually scans your license plate and lets you in automatically. If you're driving as a visitor, they will ask for your ID. They will keep your ID until you depart. And you can see that they have heavy wooden doors. Those doors close at 10 o'clock at night and stay closed unless a resident comes in and wants to leave. Here's somebody pulling in now. You also have a residential door that comes through here. It is double doored. So you have a front door that you have to go through and then a secondary door to get in. In order to get in as a resident, you need to have a biometric scan. As you can see, the safety here is top notch. Some people don't like the biometrics, but unless you're a resident, you're probably not getting in here, and they take security very seriously. Once we get inside the building, to go upstairs in the elevator, you also need another biometric scan to get upstairs. So security here is tight. So here we are at penthouse number 4. Let's go ahead and meet her right now. Amazing artwork right off the bat, opening into an open concept with the dining room and the living room, and look at all that glass, all those windows giving you great views. It's a 2-story living room. Let's just take a quick peek and see what it looks like outside. And it looks out over all of Juriquilla. All the furnishings that you see in this video come with the apartment. This is the first bedroom that's on the main floor, and it easily fits a double. It has custom-made built-in closets. This is a storage area that's currently locked with the owner's belongings. You have the bathroom for this bedroom, and you have a nice stand-in shower done in marble. On our way to the kitchen, we can pass through the wonderful little outdoor lounge here that's covered, and you can see out, and it looks out over some of the great amenities. You have a soccer field, you have a paddleball court, you have lots of grass and vegetation, nature, and a children's playground just off to the side. Continuing into the kitchen, you can see it has this wonderful island with chairs underneath, very modern. Lots and lots of cupboard space. More cupboard space. Again, the appliances will stay. You have an LG washer and dryer, and right off the laundry room is the maid's bedroom or small guest bedroom. Fits a single-size bed along with a built-in closet area and a small but functional bathroom with stand-in shower. All right, let's go find out what's upstairs. And at the top of the stairs is a wonderful TV area with the couches and tables and a big screen TV. Now let's see what it looks like And that's what you see from the balcony area here, looking down. So a linen closet. And here we go into what would be the first master bedroom. With the walk-in closet. Double sinks and a very large walk-in shower area with bench. And walking past the TV area to the next bedroom. Beautiful window overlooking, again, the amenity area. Beautiful custom-made closets for here. Across the hall is a bathroom. And then this would be one of the last bedrooms. And this could also be considered a master bedroom, as it has a huge walk-in closet area. And again, another shower with bench, plenty of room. Okay, amenity number one, the spa in the building. And you do need, again, biometrics to get in. But the bathroom section, sink, lockers, 2 showers, and you have the vapor room right there. That's the actual steam room, and possible to get appointments for massages. How awesome is that? And right above the women's spa is the gym, so let's go check that out. And right away I can tell that it has some quality pieces of equipment, treadmills, bicycles, and now into your weight. And as you look out the window, you can see it has beautiful views, and even a complete set of dumbbells. This is actually really nice, probably one of the nicest gyms I've seen for an apartment complex. And let's check out the pool area. There is 2 lanes, tables and chairs to have an outdoor party. Amazing. And just behind those bushes is another pool. I believe it's for the kids. But again, look at all the greenery. Absolutely beautiful. All right, so let's take a walk on the grounds. You can see families enjoying the day in perfect security and seclusion. You have a wonderful little playground right there. And you can tell that they've put a lot of time and effort into the landscaping. Everything is green and beautiful. Here's a little pond with a waterfall. And here is the pickleball court. And right next to it is a small soccer field. But as you can see, the grounds are amazing, the amenities are amazing. This is an absolute wonderful place to live. So let's sum up this amazing property. It's 2 stories, 4 bedrooms, 4 bath with a maid's quarters. It has amazing amenities, pools, weight room, pickleball court, soccer field. It actually also has an indoor movie theater if you're so inclined, and a game room. Both of those were locked and I didn't have the access key to get in, but they do have that. And you can hear it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon and there's really no noise whatsoever. There's some kids behind me at the playground playing, but that's about it. The security is amazing. The area is fantastic. The Santa Fe area you can drive into with absolutely no problem compared to some of the other areas like Zibita or Zakia, where you actually have to go through a checkpoint to actually get into that community before you even get to your house. So it's an open area. It's easy to get in and out of. There's lots of local stores that are within close driving distance, 3 or 4 minutes, and Tia Mall is just down the street. The apartment is currently for sale for 9.3 million pesos. I will leave a link down to the realtor's website, and you can go check out any more information and written details from the realtor. But it's been a real honor and a privilege to show this property for a friend of mine who is getting ready to go on to their next adventure, and I hope you really appreciate it. And give me a thumbs up or share this video so it will help them sell their apartment. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks.